Namaskar, I'm Dr. Survi Sharma. I'm a practicing senior consultant physiotherapist. Today I'm going to talk about breathing exercises. So what are exactly breathing exercises? Breathing exercises are those exercises that we do to maintain our diaphragmatic functioning, to increase our oxygen levels and to have a good lung function. As we are seeing in COVID, that COVID is a problem which is mainly impacting the lungs of the patients and is causing serious complications in some cases. So to avoid those kind of complications to occur, these breathing exercises are really helpful. These breathing exercises, they also help us to reduce the stress and anxiety in many patients. Today I am going to demonstrate you two breathing exercises. These are the exercises that are to be done in a relaxed position. So either you be seated on your bed with a good back support if you are having any back issues, or on a chair, and you need to start doing these exercises. The first exercise that we are going to do today, that's said to be a deep breathing exercise. So in a deep breathing exercise, what we do is we do inhalation. Inhalation is when we breathe in through our nose, and exhalation is when we breathe out through our mouth. So in this, the exhalation should be done while making a small O with your mouth. Okay, so I'll demonstrate you how to do this exercise. So I'm inhaling through my nose and I'm exhaling through my mouth, making a small O. And as you must have noticed that my exhalation time is twice of that of my inhalation time. So always keep this thing in mind, that while you are exhaling, the time duration of the exhalation should be at least twice of that of your inhalation. So this exercise is to be done for 10 repetitions and 3 times a day. Okay. And after doing this exercise, give yourself a 5 to 10 minutes rest and then do the second exercise that I am going to demonstrate you. This exercise is known as the chest expansion exercise. Okay, so in this exercise, what exactly you need to do is you need to keep your hands like this in a relaxed position, and then you need to inhale and open out your chest, and then exhale and come out like this, like fine. So while doing these exercises also, you need to keep this thing in mind, that you should be in a relaxed position while doing these exercises. This exercise also you need to do 6 to 7 repetitions and 3 times a day. Just give a gap between the first exercise and the second exercise to 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so these are the exercises which I really feel and are helping many patients to have a good oxygen level. While doing these exercises, just keep some points in mind, that you should not be having a high grade fever while doing this exercise. If that is so, you take your paracetamol, take some rest, and when your body temperature is somewhere around 99 or something, then only do these breathing exercises. If you start feeling any increase in shortness in breath while doing these exercises, stop these exercises. If you are feeling any sort of a chest pain while doing these exercises, don't do these exercises. I hope you start doing these exercises and everyone start including these exercises in their day-to-day exercise regime, so that these exercises can really help us out to come out of this pandemic. Especially, I would really emphasize on this, that the COVID patients and the patients who are in the recovery stage of COVID should definitely start doing these exercises. Please guarantee me these exercises are really going to help you out. I really wish that these exercises help you come out of this pandemic and help all the patients of COVID to recover without oxygen cylinders and hospitalization. I really pray and wish for your safe and healthy life. Thank you.